Hey, girl. Okay, tell Mama what's wrong. What's on your mind? It's a boring Saturday? And you want to eat paper? But that's not for you. That's not for you. Eleanor? Eleanor? How's it going? Happy 5th month. Aw, Mama, no more cameras. I want to go down and play. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Just kidding, it's not your birthday yet. But it's your 5th month, Eleanor. I love you. I love you. I love you, honey. I love you. Don't walk away from me. Oh, so pretty. I love you, honey. Okay, well, bye, Eleanor. Happy 5th month. I hope next month you'll grow to love the camera.